Food waste is a huge problem globally and also in Hong Kong. About a third of food that we grow in the world is never eaten.
In Hong Kong, we waste about 3,600 tons of food per day. On average, a person in Hong Kong would waste about 7.8 kilos, and the global average statistic is 2.8.
Food waste also contributes to greenhouse gas emissions in the world, about 10%. If food waste was a country, we would be the third biggest emitter in the world.
Hong Kong people love to eat. There's a demand to provide food for the consumers. But unfortunately, there's always a lot of scraps left over in the kitchen.
Chomp is a food-saving app where restaurants and businesses in the F&B space can list how much food they have left over, and people like you and me can buy it at a discount and therefore saving food from going to waste.
My work is to lead the project and to work with Green Hospitality and Chomp. It's called Food Waste to Good Taste. It's about trying to understand the situation about food waste, kitchen waste or hospitality waste. Are they useful or not for other purposes? We decided to do a food waste audit in Hong Kong F&B.
We try to really engage the industry. How are the chefs creatively tackling food waste issue and taking something that is commonly wasted in anybody's kitchen really and turning it into something creative and new.
The type of food waste basically is plate waste, but we also have kitchen waste which can be rescued, like potato peels, lemon skin. Understanding the nutritional value of these food scrap, we decided to turn this into something that has good taste. We create a cookbook with the help of chefs in Hong Kong, Green Hospitality and Chomp, and students of Hong Kong U.
We have been the recipe developers, and we have been partnering with the other chefs to bring them onto the project, develop more recipes for them as well.
So we not only focus on repurposing food waste into new food, but it's just a good taste in a broader sense, either a new meal, dish, or good taste in terms of design.
So some of the recipes in the book are made by Michelin star chefs, and what's great about them is that they're made with only 5 or 6 ingredients and really accessible to be done at home.
Thank you for joining us today for this launch of Conscious Cooking Asian Delight. Much of what was being thrown away was not only edible, but full of potential.
For the dish today, we will use cucumber skin. To be honest, it's not really a waste. Actually, this is one of the best parts of the cucumber, full of nutrients and crispy and just delicious. The recipes from the cookbook inspire people to utilize things which are not the most beautiful, or sometimes we throw them away. For example, we use a cucumber peel, which is often used in every single household. And then there's always leftover rice as well. So from the rice, we make the rice cracker.
The cookbook is the final project or culmination of this project, and so we want to deliver something delicious out of food waste.
With the help of this project, we believe that food and nutritional security can be helped for those in need.
Having access to the data on food waste from the Knowledge Exchange project is really important for us as a nonprofit, because we can use this science-based and data-based approach to really create valuable programs and services for the industry.
Another sign of progress would be our partnership with HKU and the Knowledge Exchange program. We'll all be making the cucumber dish. Here's the recipe straight from the cookbook. The workshop came about because HKU held an internal competition for students to submit their own food scrap recipes using the 9 ingredients that we had listed. We're using the cucumber peels because it's one of the most wasted scraps. The reason why we're substituting the tofu and the Greek yogurt is because tofu we make a lot in Hong Kong, so it's much cheaper. One of the winners was a easy cucumber peel salad recipe, and then another one was an onion skin-based dumpling recipe. Let's try it. Oh, it's really fresh. This one I really like. I feel like this one makes sense for the summer, much lighter. Much cleaner. Okay, well done. Knowing that we've partnered with over 300 F&B vendors means that different restaurants, especially those of strong names, have realized that food waste is a problem and that they're doing their best to try and reduce it by partnering with us.
We can change the problem of food waste in Hong Kong with the help of the community.
There is a solution for sure. We have a lot of technology, innovation, research. We just need to make bolder actions and decisions in this space. We have to have better incentives for businesses and individuals to take the step forward.